How to delete a photo in TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete a photo in TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you are on the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see all your posts. Scroll through and look for the photo you want to delete. Tap on it to open it. Once it opens, tap on the three dots icon, which appears on the right side of the screen. This is the Post Settings menu. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen with different options. Scroll through the options until you see Delete. Tap on Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you if you are sure you want to delete the post. Tap on Delete again to confirm your action. The photo will then be permanently deleted from your TikTok profile. Once deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you no longer need it before confirming. This process works for both single photo posts and photo carousel posts. If you accidentally deleted a post, the only way to get it back is if you had it saved in your drafts or on your device before uploading. The process is simple and only takes a few seconds to complete. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to delete a photo in TikTok.